Hi, I'm going to show you what you get with this resource. So there are 6 different vowel combinations, but they all have the same differentiated worksheets just with those different vowels. So I'm going to show you the different levels. Here's the first level. This one is the least distracting. It has the least amount of words, and they all have a box around them. This is great if you have students that have not mastered the fine motor of coloring in small pictures. They can just color the whole box. Of course, they could just color the picture too, but I just wanted to show that variation. This is the next level. There are no words on this page, as you can see, so it's really for practicing phonemic awareness. This is the same one, just with the words added, and as you can see here, I wanted to show that if you have students that aren't into coloring, they can just use the colors to circle. That way they're still doing the sort without having to get frustrated by coloring, as some students do. This one is for those that are ready to read. And if you wanted to make it a little bit harder, you could have them illustrate the pictures on the back, or some of the words, not all of them if they weren't ready for that. And then this is the last one. It has the student's spelling. And again, I just wanted to show you can still have the color sort without them coloring the pictures. If they just want to write the words in the color, that's a great way to do it too. So the thing that I love about these differentiated worksheets is, as you can see, they all have the same words. So you can go over the words as a class and make sure that they have the vocabulary, and you don't have to single out groups of students to practice different words with. Also, you could have table groups working together, and it's not really obvious that students are at different levels because sometimes that can be embarrassing. And another thing I wanted to point out is that I make sure that all of them have the same format, so that way when you're explaining it to your class, you can have one basic instruction for everyone, and they're all using the same colors, they're all doing the same activity, it's just tailored to their needs. Lastly, I wanted to point out that I make sure to use very simple borders so it's not distracting. Thank you.